must see them cow and them with milk. She's doing dairy place that I just. I wasn't going to say anything else. Whenever I got jumped to saying, alright, this way I did today. You just run ahead.
Sorry. Anyways,
but okay.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're out here on the road. We're actually in the country right now. So
Linstead.
We're now going to see now driving video of where we
driving on the toll or something. Because at the toll we drive to get here. We never go up on flat bridge.
But if you don't want to see how flat bridge look, we have a flat bridge video.
Yeah, that's true.
You guys can go check that out. But yeah, we're here actually between Linstead and Backward. We come to check our family and thing.
Yeah.
So we just do a quick pass through, you see it? So we'll show you guys
bits and pieces
of what we're doing, where we're going, what we get.
You know you can't come look for family members who live in so-called country and them not get a little thing. Something for run.
Always.
So guys, journey with us.
The journey continues. Hold on. I know you guys are probably wondering how comes I come leave Samuel, but Samuel actually there up at the other house where my mother that you guys don't know. So my sister take him from when I'm gone, surprisingly. But you guys will see him shortly. And yeah, just stick around for the vlog. I'm try to watch a road of the cars and people and drive mud. So we catch up with you guys.
Samuel, no, I'm not seeing.
The thought of drinking can't help. Never need one.
Huh?
Oh, you see the train line?
I'm not spot it yet. Samuel. You say no? No. No.
If you look up here, you know?
Well, you land it or you take it?
You see the alien then?
Oh, okay. We probably have to put it on a different phone. Hey boy. Hey boy. Chris, what you get?
Last time I was speaking one guy airport in Kenya. And I wake up this morning with them bugs saying ready.
What you get?
Get some jackfruit. And Samuel backpack for the airport.
That's all your fault. You have to think about airport for. So guys, him go get the exact back where him carry last year when we went to Orlando. And he would have never leave it. Chris make him think where I go airport. So we there. What would there, Chris? Linstead? This is where Chris come from.
What the name of them?
I don't know. You know you got a country when you get things. No matter how small it be, they never find things here, don't it?
Yeah, man, come out.
Come out of the rain.
Yeah guys, so we're there around Commodore. I come look for my grandparents. And the rain just done tear a while ago. As I can see the place still wet. See that? Think I did one storm we in a while ago. Yeah man, so we get up some little things. I know you come a country, I have to carry home something. So yeah, we're there in our Linstead area. Just go and chill and all the vibes. That's it. So we catch you guys, alright? This is for some people when I know what a bird nest look like. See it there? Yeah? You see it right up there, sir?
Bagwalk police station. I must see them cow and them with milk. It's the dairy place that I just I don't know. I not even look.
You their church room.
May I come now, man?
Alright.
So now can I call you milk?
Leave me alone.
Cow. Sorry, milk cow and on the breast.
I never look at that. I just see the cow. I'ma say, oh, the right side of the, what that is the side of the dairy place, the milk place. So I'ma say, oh, I must them cow. Never milk.
Them one and now I get milk.
And now over is, you realize box milk and tin milk factory there. But no, that's separate, right? That's a separate, and see this is a separate part.
Basically the same place, so one factory.
It is, but them separate it.
It's just that you have one
two different entrance.
Process things. One way. Remember, say I process things.
Yeah.
But you don't know me, I say.
Yeah, I guess. So over here,
separate place, man.
Welcome to Surge Dairies.
And dairy things.
Bagwalk festive. Full of a whole heap of different factories and so. But we're out here.
Alright people, we're there again. We get Samuel and Audrey. And Carol from Carol's Kitchen. So we're going to stop at Juicy in a Bagwalk. And see if we can get to party.
Yeah, juicy beef.
And Mr. Man want fries from morning, so I get that right now. So I go through the drive-thru, you can stop at Bagwalk. Okay, Sam? What do you want? Want to buy fries?
Your purse.
Alright, we're going to buy the fries now.
Hear him? And what?
And what?
And
Fries
patty.
and patty. You have money?
The patty on the bite.
You eat it, man. Yeah, so we're going to go through the drive-thru. So at least you know it's a Bagwalk have a drive-thru with them juicy. We're not going to country stop and grab 2 patty.
Fetch the hot dish.
Samuel, what do you want? Fries and patty?
Contribution.
Oh, what I must buy with this? Buy fries with this?
Yes.
Just fries you want? You don't want the patty again? You want patty? Give me more money for patty.
I want more money. I want more money for patty.
Everybody I give money, so you want to give money too. Alright, let's see.
Contribute. Yeah, it's fun.
Okay.
Alright, thank you. So one fries and one patty. Anybody remember the days when I could have buy a patty and sit on the Alright, thank you, Samuel.
There's something on mine. Yeah, I put money in there.
By the time I drive go through, that's how much I done up on the road.
I'm recycling.
Drive through, I take a long with a little patty.
But it must have steam fire.
Well, the chicken patty just ready.
Just finished, yeah. Supposedly.
Glass.
Alright. Everything.
Get. Me not eat juicy patty, guys.
So that's why I can't get my friends. That beef right there. Start with that. My friend.
Catch my patty. Come here and try to catch my patty.
Please press the button and take the card. Safe journey.
Alright. Oh, you look alright.
Guys, we stopped to do a little photo shoot on the toll. I don't know, Samuel always had to take off his shoes. That's it. Time to go. Huh? Wonderful.
Sometimes it have to be a big trip. You spend a lot of money just to chill out somewhere. Please and thank you.
Let's go.
So we are back in Kingston. Like I said, it wasn't a long trip. We weren't even sure if we were going to vlog this trip, but nevertheless, to give you guys a little piece. At the end of this video, you know, we always try to give you a piece of the drone shot of the surrounding where we went. Like I said, we did not go Flatbridge this time. We went on the toll. And we got what I want? Yes, we got to go. Alright, so we get a few little things. We finally get the jackfruit. We got pineapple, we got juice, we got coconut, breadfruit. So yeah, it's just a little quick country run. I mean, I know some of you guys probably would have wanted to see more of Linstead and Bagwalk. But like I said, it was a very short trip. It wasn't anything long. But I hope you guys enjoyed our little trip. Huh? Huh? You want to come in mommy lap? Alright, come. Yes guys, so like I was saying, it was a very short trip. Samuel, you want to say hi? No? Look here, say hi. No? You vexed? Are you upset? Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this little round trip. The party did nice. Just a little drive out did nice. Everything did nice.
Yeah.
You enjoy your party?
No, it's dirty.
You eat the fries?
Yeah.
Anyways, guys, we catch you in another video. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, if you're new, just subscribe to the channel. It won't cost you a thing. If you like the video, press the like button. It won't cost you a thing. And just share the video. It still won't cost you anything. Alright, so enjoy this drone shot. And remember to take care of yourself. Take care of your mental health. And be safe until the next video. So see ya. See you. Bye, Samuel.
Bye.
Bye, guys.